We talk about mixtures and how to separate them. So first off, let's talk about what mixtures are. So everything that we've learned about so far goes under the classification of matter. And then there's two different types of matter, two main types. We have mixtures, which is what this unit is on, and then we have pure substances. All year we've been talking about pure substances, different elements and different compounds, and how chemical reactions can make compounds or break compounds. Now we're going to move into mixtures, which is what this unit is about. There's two types of mixtures that we are going to learn about in this unit. The first one is a heterogeneous mixture, and we have a homogeneous mixture. So hetero means different, so the mixture has a bunch of different things in it. And then a homogeneous mixture, everything looks the same. So with a homogeneous mixture, one of the biggest clues that it's a homogeneous mixture is that it is transparent. So think of like sweet tea or Kool-Aid or air, transparent. Okay, just another quick review of pure substances. Elements can't be chemically separated, and they're listed on the periodic table, like carbon, sulfur, and so on. Then we have compounds, which can be separated through a chemical reaction, or they can be made through a chemical reaction. They're made up of elements. So think water, salt, sugar, rust. All of these have multiple elements in them, making them a compound. Okay, so a mixture is composed of two or more substances that can be separated by physical means. When I say physical means, that means a chemical reaction does not occur. And it can contain elements or compounds. So a heterogeneous mixture is not uniform throughout, and they're not transparent. That's going to be the big thing. And a homogeneous mixture is uniform throughout. Something else you should think about is in a homogeneous mixture, things dissolve. So think salt water, sugar water, things like that. Okay, so here are some examples of a heterogeneous mixture. You can see this piece of granite. You can see all the different stuff that it's made up of, and you can actually see them. So it's a heterogeneous mixture. And then we have Chex Mix, which you can see all the different things. Again, two or more things that are combined, and they're not uniform. It's not going to be the same throughout. Then we have a homogeneous mixture. And a homogeneous mixture is called a solution. Okay, so you have your solute, which is what is being dissolved, and you have your solvent, which is what is actually doing the dissolving. So again, think Kool-Aid. You put Kool-Aid in water, you mix it, it completely dissolves. You put sugar in water, it completely dissolves. Okay, another thing, homogeneous mixtures are also called solutions. Okay, they're well mixed in a uniform phase. They're transparent, and then they can't be separated by a filter, and they cannot be separated over time. So these are the basics of mixtures. We'll go more into separation techniques, and since we said they have to be physically separated, the next thing we'll be learning is how do we separate mixtures?